guys! Yesterday we learned how to write a paragraph using the hamburger model. Today we are going to focus only on the top bun sentence, the topic sentence. And last week you chose an animal from the site Pebble Go that you would like to research and learn a little bit more about, and hopefully teach your teacher a little bit more about. I would love to learn more about some of these animals you picked first grade. But anyway, we're only working on the top sentence today. So you're going to find one of these and you're going to write this down with a pencil, and then I'm going to have you copy your sentence into Google Classroom so that I can see it as the assignment is completed, but then you also have this paper for the rest of the week to add more on. We are only doing one sentence today. Do not work ahead. You'll do those the rest of the week. So, back to it. I chose polar bears to study about. I'm using books. I have several books that have to do with polar bears, but if you don't have that, certainly you can go back to Pebble Go. You could go to National Geographic Kids. There are several sites that are safe for kids to view animals on. So let's talk about our first draft, starting sentence. Now this sentence is very important because it has to tell about what the rest of the paragraph is going to be about, but it also has to grab your reader's attention so they're not bored and just wanting to move on to something else. So there are three ways you can start a paragraph. You can start with a question. So I might say, did you know polar bears can weigh as much as 7 men? Polar bears are a very interesting type of animal. You can start with a generic sentence like, polar bears are very interesting, or polar bears are a very cool animal. And you could also start with a sound effect. So I might do splash. Polar bears are excellent swimmers. These are the really tough ones to start to write. I think I'm going to begin with a question, and I'll start with, did you know polar bears can weigh as much as 7 men? If you need to go outside of your top bun, that's okay. So I started with this sentence. This is a question. It kind of grabs somebody's interest and attention. But I need to go a little bit further and say something about what the rest of this paragraph is about. So I might include that generic sentence. Did you know polar bears can weigh as much as 7 men? Oh, see, I made a mistake. Later on, we can add a caret and put in the words that I missed. So, did you know polar bears can weigh as much as 7 men? There are many interesting facts about polar bears. Okay. If you ever get stuck, the word many is a really great word to use in your topic sentence. So there are many reasons why I think mom should let me have a new pet. Here's reason 1, 2, 3, and 4. So many can help you if you're a little bit stuck. But remember, today your job is to write a sentence to start off your paragraph about that animal that you chose last week. You can start with a question, with a generic sentence using the word many. There are many interesting facts about polar bears, or a sound effect. That always will grab attention too. So I hope that you have a good time writing this sentence, and I can't wait to see what you have done later on today. Have a nice day, guys.